Hello, everyone. Greetings from here in Texas, in the United States. I hope you're all staying safe and inside, and that you're all right. I miss being in school with you guys, and I'm sure you miss being in school as well. Today, I'm going to be explaining the beginning of your new unit, Unit 8, which is algebra. In algebra, we use letters instead of numbers. I'm sure that all of you have this wonderful worksheet, this explanation that your excellent teacher, Marivi, has prepared for us. So I'm going to read you the explanation from the beginning. You can describe everyday situations using algebra. In algebra, numbers are used to represent the wonderful worksheet. Number 1, letters instead of numbers. The worksheet says, you can describe everyday situations using algebra. In algebra, you use letters to represent numbers. An algebraic expression has numbers and letters linked by operations. The operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication. These you already know. The letters are called variables, and every addend is called a term. The expression 5n plus 3s has two terms, 5n and 3s. Off to the side, there's an explanation of how to write and create an algebraic expression, which I will show you right now. Okay, guys, so off to the side to the right, you will see a couple of boxes, and this is explaining how to create an algebraic expression. So the left set of boxes seem to be large boxes. So I will draw the box. And it says the letter N represents the number of pens in each box. So you would have N in each box. If you have 5 boxes, this would leave you with a value of 5n, because basically what we're doing is taking the number of pens and multiplying that by the number of boxes we have. So we have 5 n's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. And that is equal to 5n. Now, we don't know how many pens are in each box, which is why we're using this letter to represent that number. So for this side, we have 5n. Now, to the right of those boxes, there seem to be a set of smaller boxes. So I will draw some smaller boxes. Pretty good. In these boxes, the number of pens is represented by S. Because there must be less pens, fewer pens in this box than in that box. So the variable will be different. And we have 3 boxes with S number of pens. So we will do exactly what we did with the first box, and we will have S plus S plus S is equal to 3S. So here we have 5n and here we have 3s. And each of these represents the total number of pens in 5 boxes and in 3 boxes. Now, to create this algebraic expression, we're going to combine these two and find what I want to call P, which will equal the total number of pens. And to do this, we're going to take 5n and add 3s, and that will equal P. I know this might be a little complicated and a little complex, but I have another activity that might help you understand and visualize this concept more easily. So let's go to the kitchen. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to the kitchen. Now, we're going to discuss algebra again, but I think that playing around with some cheese balls and some coffee filters might make it a little easier for you to understand the concept of algebra. So here we have 5 coffee filters, and here we have some cheese balls. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 cheese balls. So, what we're going to do is figure out, danger, lurking. This is my cat, also. Her name is Maisie, and she's a little baby. She's very young. So hopefully she doesn't attack. We're going to figure out how many cheese puffs will go into each coffee filter using algebra. So here we have x, which is the unknown quantity, number of puffs per filter. These are the coffee filters. We have 5 filters and 30 cheese puffs. So, in order to find x, which is the number of puffs per filter, we will multiply x times 5 to get 30 cheese puffs, getting 5x equals 30. Can you pause it? So, to find the number of cheese puffs per coffee filter, what we're going to do is take our equation 5x equals 30 and simplify it. We need to isolate x in the equation. We want 1x. We want 1x, which the 1 is understood, number of puffs per filter. We will divide this side of the equation by 5. And we will do the same to the other side, because what you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. So we will divide 30 by 5 as well. This will give us x equals 30 over 5, which, if one of you can raise your hand and tell me what is 30 divided by 5, very good. 6. So, this may seem like very simple division, but visualizing and understanding that x is equal to 6 might help you understand the concept of algebra. If we have an unknown number of cheese puffs per coffee filter, but we know we have 30 cheese puffs and 5 filters, how many cheese puffs do we have? Thank you.